11. Yes. Connecting. Good shot. Last 1 minute and 53. Last 14 to shoot. Yes. Connecting 2 point pa rin po tayo dito. 61-52 ang score. Yes. 14 to shoot. Mr. Kuman. Kuman have 10. Yes. Take 2 point tayo. Ako sa foul. Foul sa number 30. Pushing foul. Penalty po tayo. 10 personal foul. Mr. Villavende. On the first throw. Wala.
Talagas.
Well, final throw, Mr. Kuman. Ay, wala. Last 1 and 45 seconds pa tayo. Last 14 to shoot. 13, 12. Yes. Foul. Penalty po tayo. Warning pa lang po. Warning. Warning pa lang. 4 personal foul. Mr. Kuman, sulod na. Last 1 and 41 for the final quarter. 14 to shoot, Mr. Villavende. Yes, 10. Was connecting to point. 63-52 ang score. Last 1 minute and 35.
Taha bino.
14 to shoot. Last 12. 11. Yes, connecting to point. 54-63 ang score. Leave Villavende. Yes, it is foul. Penalty po tayo rin. Mr. Kuman. 13 personal foul, Mr. Kuman. Ang gitao ni Mr. Villavende. Connecting 1 point. 64-54 ang score. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Yes, wala. Yes, Mr. Kuman, 14 to shoot. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, still by Mr. Yes, it's a traveling violation, Mr. Villavende. Last 1 and 18 seconds for time for the final half. 14 to shoot, Mr. Kuman. Turn around. Yes, connecting to 57-64 ang score. Yes, saya rasa Mr. Hamadi. Yes. Foul Mr. Kuman. Penalty total. 56-64 ang score. Yes, connecting 1 point.
Sila taya lir.
Well, final throw. Yes, connecting 1 point. Last 1 and 10 seconds na lang po tayo. Nasa 14 to shoot. Mr. Kuman, 12, 10. Yes. May foul po tayo dito. Penalty po tayo rin. Penalty. Mr. Villavende, 11 personal foul. 56-66 ang score. Yes, connecting 1 point. 57-66 ang score. Well, the final throw. Wala. Last 65 seconds po tayo. Last 65 seconds. Yes, 14 to shoot. Yes. Sa traveling violation. Last 62 po tayo. Last 62 seconds. Yes. Seconds to play po tayo. Bigay ang katawan. Mr. Kuman. Connecting top 56 seconds na lang po tayo. Last 56 seconds.
Natayam na nga yung oras.
Yes. 12 to shoot. 11, 10, 9, 8. Yes. Connecting top 68-59 ang score. Leave Villavende. Last 48 seconds. 14 to shoot. Mr. Kuman. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, recent by shot clock. Balikan ng susunod. You have 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes.
Bayaan na gani.
Last 4 to shoot po tayo. Last 4. 3, 2, 5. Yes. Continue shot clock po tayo.
Siwan.
Last 25 na lang po tayo. Last 25. Last 12, 11. Yes. 3 point po tayo, rep. Last 21 seconds na lang. 62-68 ang score. Last 21 seconds. Last 12 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes. It's a traveling violation.
Tigol.
Wala na shot clock. Last 13 seconds na lang.
Last ba niya, quarter?
Last 13 seconds.
Daog niya.
12, 11, 10, 9. Yes. Connecting to 10. Last 8 seconds po tayo. Last 8 seconds. 68-64 ang score. Last 7, 6, first. May foul po tayo. Penalty po tayo. Last 5 na lang po tayo. Last 5. 64-68 ang score. Wala. Unang throw. Well, final throw, Mr. Vilabinde. Last 5 seconds po tayo. Last 5 seconds. That's connecting 1 point. 69-64 ang score. Last 5 na lang. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the final quarter. 64-69 ang score. Winner, Vilabinde.
Basta